Hi there, Occupy the Need Act friends. This is William, and I'm getting ready for a little bike ride. I'm going to take you along with me. Let's see. Here we go. There's. You're going to ride in my gimbal right there, and here I am. Yeah. So we're going to talk about the NEAT Act. We're going to see a little bit of Norman, Oklahoma. We're a city of 125,000 south of Oklahoma City, about 21 miles is where I'm at right now. So we're just going to go through a little ride. We're going to go down through Campus Corner by the University of Oklahoma, and then out to my eye doctor's office. Yeah, I'm going to have cataract surgery here and next Monday, and do one eye, and then 2 weeks later do the other eye, and so I'm going to get a little bit of medical work done. So let's see if I can get you on my gimbal. Yeah, we'll see. Little shaking going on. I am 78 years old, and I've got what my grandpa had, a voluntary tremble, but that some of us old people get. Okay, I think I got you in my gimbal, and let's turn it on. So it stabilizes. It should be on. Oh, I've got to see where the lights are. This gimbal's kind of new to me. Let's do this. There we go. Now it is on. Okay. I'm going to have a power cord here, but I'm not going to hook the power cord up. We got plenty of power in the iPhone. And we're going to talk about the NEAT Act. Yeah, I need to. Yeah, so cataract surgery, the only thing I worry about is COVID-19, but apparently this surgery center we're going to has got good protection. I don't know whether that's a question I ought to ask. Well, has there been any COVID-19 from the surgery center? Who knows? So, okay. There we go. So there's my garden. A little patio area. That manhole cover, if you can see it, is one that we made in our iron foundry in Henrietta, Oklahoma, probably back in the 1960s. Manhole covers last forever. Okay. Now, we're gonna stick one side in there and the other side in there. Just got to make sure you're secure. You're going in my front basket, that's what you're doing. And then right there. And I think we got it. Yeah, I think we got it. And the gimbal does a good job of holding you straight and level. Okay, got my blinking lights on. Got the front door locked. I have to talk to myself. And that's mainly what I'm doing with these broadcasts. Alan Alda wrote a book that he called it the wonderful things I've learned while talking to myself. So that's sort of what I'm doing, talking about the NEAT Act. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to be taking a history course from Renegade University next month on Black history. Yeah. Can't remember the name of the course, but it's something that's would grab your attention. I meant to look at it before I started this broadcast so I could tell you what the name of it is, but I'll have it on the next broadcast. Oh shit. Oh, I know what I'll do. I can take off here instead of trying to do this standing still. We'll use a little centrifugal force. There we go. Now you're going to be jiggling a little bit. I just can't help
now
that.
Turn right onto West Sims Street.
So, yeah, we're going to have a history course in Black history.
The tour is being adjusted.
The first session is going to be about how the slaves coped with their situation, created a new world. And that's what we're going to do with the NEAT Act. We're going to create a whole new world. Yeah. We're not even going to have to
now
work to have income. Yeah. No. Work is not a requirement for income. Work's a four-letter word, you know. And
the tour is being adjusted.
I have a friend, a Facebook friend out in California who photographed all of the skateboard boys back in the 70s. And he's got a friend who caters to the girls. And her skateboard store is called Girl Is Not a Four-Letter Word. I like to tell girls that when I talk to them. And they like that. Yeah, girl is not a four-letter word. And this lady is a feminist that I could get along with. And of course, you that took the photographs of the boys, I certainly get along with him. If
in 400 feet, go
never heard
straight
of
onto
him.
path.
I'll put his name on my Facebook page. Okay, let's go this way. We just came through Campus Corner. That's the University of Oklahoma over there.
In 250 feet, go straight
just
onto
past
path.
president of the University of Oklahoma was attacked by the president now.
The tour is being adjusted.
Promised to get him in prison, and
in
it didn't work.
250 feet, turn left
The
and
grand
continue
jury
on Access Road.
investigated David Boren and didn't find cause for any charges to be filed. That is great fucking news. Me Too movement, you can take a fucking back seat. David, we know, was fucking some boys. But what of it? They were all of age. They were making a deal with him. He got to fuck them, and they got jobs. David was a former U.S. Senator. Former governor of Oklahoma, had all kinds of political contacts, and those boys knew what they were doing.
150 feet,
They were all in their 20s.
Chautauqua Avenue.
They knew what they were doing. Now they'll probably sue him. He's probably going to lose some money over this deal. I'm sure he spent a lot on lawyers. God damn it. Fucking lawyers always win. They're like bankers. They always win. So.
Now turn left onto
That is
Chautauqua
good news
Avenue.
for David Boren. Good news for man. I wish they would let him back on campus. And David loves the University of Oklahoma campus, and he loves the kids. Literally. And so, yeah, that was the good news. Good news that the Me Too movement got a little kick in the face. So, that's what this Occupy the Need Act is all about. It's all about giving us freedom.
The tour is being adjusted.
We're going to be able to have a universal basic income where we don't have to work. If we don't want to, we can do the things that we want to do. And one of the things that I hope we want to do is follow up on the Need Act when we get it passed into Congress.
The tour is 650
we're going to have to sit on the congressmen and make sure they don't give it fucking back to the bankers. Now, what's this Need Act all about? Well, it nationalizes the post that it needs to do, like transferring funds between financial institutions and handling our bonds that we issue as a government. And, so, let's see, what do we got here? Howdy, how you doing? So, and then it ends the power of the banks to create money. It ends fractional reserve banking, which they say was already ended a few weeks ago by legislation. It never existed anyway. All money is created when banks make loans. Commercial banks. Commercial banks create all our money. Even now, after they say the Federal Reserve creates money, no, the Federal Reserve creates reserves. They don't create money. Okay. I need to start paying attention to where I'm at. Because I'm going to have to make a left turn somewhere. I don't think there's a light. I don't think there is one. Oh, I was going to actually ride down through the campus. And got police everywhere today. I'm on a defund the police kick. Our police here in Norman are trying to buy, that's what they showed me how to do this. You didn't see what I just did. Put my right foot down. That's what they told us at motorcycle riding school. When you come to a stop sign, put your right foot down. That knows you stopped. Motorcycle rider. I got a motorcycle when I retired when I was 62 years old. So, okay, we take the power of the bankers, their power, that's the power they have, is to create money to influence everything. They finance the street that I'm on, right? Yeah. They finance the street. They finance this camera that I'm talking to you on, and the gimbal that I'm using. Looks like the gimbal's working pretty good. I like this because I hate it that it jiggles. But at least you're not getting the real shocks. But I can actually see that I am broadcasting while I'm riding along. The light's good this morning. It's not got my screen all blacked
0.31
out.
miles left of you.
You might be hearing my, you're probably hearing my directions. I should have put you on my headphones, which I don't even have my headphones. I usually carry them around my neck. If I put you on my headphones, you wouldn't be hearing that. But anyway, I've got this service to help give directions in it, and I got the one that covers the entire known civilized world. Here we go. Look at that. Nice green stripe we got here. This is a new street. And this was financed by the bankers. Yeah, they done this. The day we passed the bond issue for this, man, those two bond salesmen left our city council meeting with a lot of money in their empty briefcases. Okay. I'm coming along. We're at a famous intersection in Norman. This used to be a flood intersection. And they spent millions of dollars straightening this out so that when it rained real hard, traffic could come through here. I think my tripod thing's working good. Holding the gimbal fine. I've got a new tripod coming today for my desk. And another one. I'm going to see if I really want the one I'm getting today. And I ordered one like I had from China. Ordered it yesterday. Got a notice today. It's shipped postal from China. We don't need to be fucking nuking China. That's where we get everything. Picking a fight with China's the wrong person to pick a fight with. We've transferred all our manufacturing over there. We're dependent on them. Hell, I heard yesterday we get all our antibiotics from China. All of them. Okay. Keep going here. I like this street. There's the Bell Rancho. Been there a long time. Well, let's just take this. I heard that lady's going. Making an illegal U-turn. Yeah, that's they make a great sandwich there at Bell Rancho.
0.47 miles left.
There were some people that owns a building over to my left here that wanted to create a club out here, and the neighbors got together and stopped that shit. They don't want us having any fun. Yeah. Okay, looks like they did this really well. They've got us all making all perpendicular turns so you can see the traffic. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'm getting pretty close to where I'm going. Then I'll stop. Okay, NEDAC, Nationalize the Federal Reserve. end fractional reserve banking, take the power to create money away from the bankers, and spend money into the economy. Do the things that we need to do, like how about a universal basic income of $40,000 a year? That'll give you a good base. Young man, you can go to work somewhere and supplement that, but you're going to get the basic income no matter what, and we will, and you'll be secure. You got a rich uncle. It's called Uncle Sam, because he can now. He's going to, with the NEAD Act, he's going to be able to create money. He's going to be equivalent to the 1% in their bankers right now. So, and then we'll be able to have health care. You'll be able to have free housing, free transportation, like the automatic guards that we're going to have coming. Get on your cell phone, punch a button or two, tell it where you want to go, how long you're going to be there, and a car will show up and take you there. And we'll just have to design a system that says that the government can't keep track of where you're at. Yeah, housing, there's going to be no restrictions on housing. If you're a sex offender, you get free housing. I was looking at housing in Chicago, and I asked about that, where I was looking, and it was public housing that was paid for by the city of Chicago. Not federal, but paid for by the city of Chicago. There were no restrictions on who could move in there. None. I guess the only restriction was if you were a sex offender, you couldn't be within 500 feet of a school or kindergarten or some shit like that, or a park.
Prepare to turn left.
We're going to fix all of that. Okay? You've been treated like shit. This NEAD Act is for you.
You are back on the tour.
You're going to be able to go to Washington, D.C. and lobby like hell and have a good time. You're going to have money in your pocket. You're going to have free rent. You're going to have free lunches. At the U.S. Capitol, you're going to be able to eat with the senators and representatives and be in their fucking offices bugging the hell out of them. So, okay. Now I'm at the doctor's office. See there, ophthalmology clinic. Let's pull up here and find a pole to put this bicycle on. Probably I should do this. Need to pull right up here and use the curb to get off the bike. Okay. Okay, I'm on to there we go. I'm going to stop the video now that I've arrived. The NEAD Act, Nationalize the Federal Reserve, end the power of the banks to create money, and next time I'm going to talk a little more about how that power works to influence your life, and then we're going to spend money in the economy with the things that we need. Bye now. I'm glad you watched, and let's see if I can. Let's do this off of here and end. Okay, here we go.